What are astral and umbral eras? These are mentioned a lot in Final Fantasy XIV, but do you understand what these terms really mean? Well, let's talk about it. At their core, these eras describe cycles of history. An umbral era is a time of stagnation, rebuilding, and recovery, while an astral era is time of growth and advancement. The numbering of the eras comes from the calamities that precede them. A calamity is a massive world-altering disaster, usually tied to a dominant element and widespread destruction. For example, the calamity of ice brought an age of frost, frozen seas, and extreme hardship, while the calamity of water caused catastrophic flooding and devastated city-states. So, the numbering comes from the calamity. The first calamity came and was followed by the first umbral era, then the first astral era. Then came the second calamity, and the second umbral era, and the second astral era, and so has the cycle continued through the modern-day 7th umbral era in A Realm Reborn, and the 7th astral era after that. No matter the element or the number, every calamity reshapes the land and society of Eorzea. After a calamity, the world is in upheaval. This is the umbral era, a time of rebuilding, healing, and simply trying to survive. This era lasts while people restore cities, resettle lands, and piece society back together. Once stable footing is found, the astral era begins. This is a time of prosperity, innovation, and major magical and technological advances, at least for the dominant nation of the era. While setbacks can still happen, astral eras are defined by progress and expansion. Ironically, the later part of an astral era often becomes a time of conflict. This growing instability eventually leads to ether imbalance, and then the next calamity, and the whole cycle starts again. So, that is the difference. Umbral era are times of rebuilding, while astral eras are a time of growth. And together they form the heartbeat of our star's history.